because this robot only have 4 sections of movements. Forward, backwards, left to right, left, and also we have these LEDs that we can choose that it change the color, and also if you can get closer, I will push this and it will sound a song.
This is a reflection video for the microcontrollers and microprocessors class in summer, global summer, with Dr. Abhishek. If you want to start the reflection.
Okay, we have learned many things. The professor gave to us an extensive course with many things for learn. First, we had learned the architecture of the processors, microprocessors ARM, and we had developed many experiments with the S32 and the Internet of Things.
And also we learned about the Raspberry Pi to process images, augmented reality, and also we learned a lot about APIs so we can connect with applications on the cloud.